Here I have HUAWEI NOVA 10 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take a live photo or motion photo on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes and select moving picture here. And now I can take moving pictures, so let's get it. Okay, so we have some. Now let's check them out. So moving picture works this way, that like when you open it in gallery, it just like stands still like any other picture, but if you hold your finger on it, it starts moving. So yeah, that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.